Evening all. Right, it's a little bit late. I've been out here for a fair bit today. A bit of tidying up. I've put my first airlift in and just getting everything all washed down. Still a few temporary bits in place, but all three drums are now up and running, as you can see. Nice little green light coming off all of them. The red glow you can see is like some kind of number count. I'm not really sure what it is, but might be the number of rotations or some more or less cleaning. Top up's been going, but main thing you'll want to know about is the airlift. I'm going to try not to, as you can see I'm soaked, so I'm not going to turn the camera around on me because I'm absolutely minging, even worse than usual. And let's hope I don't drop this new phone. So I've just got the one airlift in at the minute. As you can see, it's there, bubbling away nice and quiet. And I've got an 80 litre XP80 high blow. It's currently split between the bottom drains and that. Only two of the bottom drains. And you've got a lovely lash up going on over this end to block the other three returns from this chamber that go back to the pond. Otherwise all that's happening is I'm just kind of pushing water out there and it's kind of just rebalancing here, whereas I actually want it to draw the water through the drums. So well, I suppose you'll want to see a demo of how much it flows. Now I'm not going to be able to show that to you very easily because I'm not about to take it out again, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the gate valves on the drums that are feeding that chamber. And that's going to show you, I'll get my hands and knees at this, boys. Down I get. Just try not to fall in anywhere. Oof. Here we go. Alright, I'm down on my hands and knees. So what I'm going to do is, you can see the water level there. I'm going to shut these gate valves off. And you can see how quickly it pours water out of this chamber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the feeds are all closed now, and you can see how quickly that airlift is dumping that water in the pond with no top up coming from this side. So I think that's quite impressive. This is a sort of 2,000 litre tank, and even though the 4-inch pipe's completely out, you'll see they're still going quite quickly, that water level, and indeed the water's still gushing away in the top there. They're starting to slow down now because it's kind of I guess struggling to lift and pushing back against the level of the water in the pond, which is about just over halfway over that 4-inch pipe that goes into the pond. So yeah, I think that's probably about as far as it will go on its own in terms of lowering the level this side. Can hear the wastes in the drums are spilling over now because obviously we've put this level of water into the pond and it's balanced up in the other side, so it's overflowing. Still going, just showing the bottom of that boot now. So not only lifting the water but pushing back against the pressure of the pond. So yeah, pretty impressive really. And yeah, I've only got one in here so far. I did plan to put 4 in, but I'm thinking I might just get away with 2. Yeah, it'd be good to get a measure on this, just to try and see. So yeah, very much. I don't know. Yeah, we're sort of down another lip on the boot. Is it going to manage to pull any harder than that? Push the water any harder than that? Still spilling over the top ups in, oh sorry, the wastes in the drums. I can hear. It's getting close to the bottom of that boot. And that's probably about its lot. And should also find that I can hear the drums are washing as well, because the level's down on the clean side. Has that got past the bottom of that boot? Yeah, I think it has. Yeah, so he's doing a pretty good job pulling that lot back. So you should find someone's anything cleaning? No, nothing cleaning at the moment. Right, that is. I thought that would be cleaning. Oh no, because the level's high, isn't it? As soon as I open these gate valves, it's going to cause the level to drop in there. Yeah. I should think the same on this one. When I open these valves, the level in the drum's going to drop. That comes the cleaning. And obviously, what's happening?